It's a straight up blizzard, not gonna lie.
My mouth is getting numb very quickly.
It was nice and peaceful and a nice little break from being outside so much. Very cold and very snowy and probably not the fun kind. Welcome to a very snowy Helsinki, Finland.
I know that nobody can probably see this, but there's that brick church that's really popular in Helsinki. It's got the golden top roofs and it's just barely visible. And that's probably what, 3 miles away? Maybe 2? So visibility is pretty rough. Glad we're taking a train later today.
It's already better out of the straightaway bridge there. Ben made us stop like 12 times, so we were on the bridge for a while. It's a straight up blizzard, not gonna lie. It's pretty cold and really snowy. We brought the drone because we were like, oh, it's slightly snowing, like we can throw the drone up. No, it's like full on blizzard, so that's not gonna happen. But I think we're gonna wander around this park a little bit, and then I think it might be more of an indoor day. So we're gonna try to go to the Botanical Gardens and then maybe the City Museum. So. Ben's gonna try to fly the drone.
Snow's calmed down quite a bit, so.
It's a little calmer on the side of the island, so as long as we don't go up too high, might be okay. Still pretty snowy, but.
And now that the snow is done, you can see how much more visible that church is. It's like perfectly clear versus maybe like an hour ago it was completely invisible. I feel like that's like an adventure boat.
Lots of pictures, always lots of pictures.
I have to say there's some really cool boats here. There's some boats that I feel like I've never seen before. They're designed with like metal hulls, but they look like they're fiberglass hulls. So they're very similar to like a pleasure boat, but they're like reinforced. I'm assuming that they're very popular here in Finland just because they're like much more durable and you can use them later into the season with the ice. But it's very interesting. I have to say it is also pretty cold out here. My mouth is getting numb very quickly.
So we are walking to the Uspenski church here in Helsinki. It is a Byzantine church, I believe, like a Byzantine style church. So very Russian, I believe. We'll find out more when we go inside. But yeah, so we're just walking here now and we'll hopefully show you some views.
If you've been watching this channel long enough, you know that Kayla and I both love botanical gardens. And behind me is the greenhouse that's here in Helsinki. So we're gonna go check it out today. It was kind of a little bit of a last minute choice for us, but it's snowing pretty hard again. So we're gonna go in and check it out. I think the camera's probably gonna fog up when we go inside due to how cold it is outside, especially because we've been walking for about 23 minutes in the snow, so this camera is cold soaked to the max. I might try to switch to the iPhone, so if you see the camera footage like switching back and forth, that's why, because I think the iPhone lenses will warm up much quicker than the big camera lens that we have. All right, let's go check it out. Instantly fogs up again. We tried so much.
It's like a type of pitcher plant.
Oh yeah. Smells wonderful in here, huh? I think I found what smells so good. All right, hot tip for any photographer or videographer coming to a greenhouse. Always try to go in the arid room or the desert room first, because that will save your camera from fogging up, because it's way lower humidity and way warmer in these rooms normally. So hopefully your camera can warm up and get to a normal regular room temperature before going into like a palm house or a wetter environment where all the water condenses on it. I also switched to the iPhone here. So hopefully it'll be a little bit better because they're smaller glass and it warms up a lot quicker, whereas a bigger lens like this will take much longer to warm up from freezing outdoor temperatures.
So we just walked through the Botanical Garden, spent some time there. It was nice and peaceful and a nice little break from being outside so much. So now we're going to go find some lunch because it's 1 o'clock and we're all really hungry. So I think we're gonna go back down to the Old World Market and find a little lunch for everybody, maybe from some different stalls.
I got the reindeer meatball and mashed potatoes. Very good, especially with the lingonberry on top. And then there's a little bit of like a gravy on the outside. It's a great dish for a cold day.
And I got the salmon soup again, as usual. It's very, very good. All right, so we had a really lovely lunch in the Old World Market. Now we're out here taking some photos of the harbor, but we have to go back to our hotel to pack up and check out because our checkout is at 4 p.m. And then we need to store our bags for a little bit until we catch our overnight train to Rovaniemi tonight, and that's at like 7:30. we have to pack up and get ready to check out. All packed up, ready to go check out.
All right, let's go. I always feel like we have too much stuff.
Small elevator. So we packed up, checked out, and now we're headed down to a park that the hotel guide recommended because we have done a lot of the Helsinki big must-sees. So we're taking the public transit down there now. We're gonna go explore, walk around for an hour, maybe grab a cup of coffee or something, and then make our way back, pick up our bags, and head to the train station. It's a little windy and snowy out, eh?
Yeah.
That was good. Latte and cinnamon roll. We're gonna continue to walk around the park a little bit and then we're gonna head back to our hotel. It is definitely blizzarding out.
All bundled up now.
It's so hard to fit my hat underneath my hood. Ugh.
I think you got it now.
What?
You got it.
Yeah. All right, it is very windy and very cold and very snowy and probably not the fun kind. So we're gonna wrap up this vlog, head back to the hotel, probably wait 20 minutes and then catch our train. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring Helsinki with us. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. We have a lot more coming. And if you like trains, then definitely subscribe to see us take our train to Rovaniemi next week. Thanks.